Hello. If we talk about the formatting, the best way to do that is to go to the View tab and put this button into the Quick Access toolbar. Here we go. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, level 6. So we are showing level 6, and then just do the formatting. Okay, the lower tasks, we have the italic. Then we collapse everything till level 5. Then we remove italic. Then we collapse to 4 and do the bigger font size. So now we go to 3 and we do even bigger in the level 2. Let's say we do all bolded and underline, and on level 1 we do it even bigger. So in general, that's it. Now we can open everything and we will see that all the formatting is safe. Thank you for your attention.